Where'd you get that spoon? That's a big spoon for a little boy. Huh? What'd you get there? That's a big spoon. You eating bananas with a big spoon? Show Mama how you eat with that spoon. Oh, you don't want to give it to the camera. Here, go show me how you eat banana. How do you eat the banana with it? Good job. Look at Mama. Good boy.